Hey guys, how it's going on? Hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to grow hibiscus plant in easy way. You can see this hibiscus. This one I have grown like 2 years ago and I planted directly to the soil. So now you can see it has got a beautiful hibiscus flower on it. Just check the flower. So friends, hibiscus plant is easy to grow from cuttings. So guys, let's get into the process growing hibiscus plant from cuttings. So friends, choose a healthy branch to take a cuttings using sharp knife or sharp cutter. After taking a healthy branch cuttings, remove all the extra leaves and extra branches from the cuttings. After removing all the extra leaves and extra branches, cut it in 45-degree angle in the bottom. Next, use root hormone. It will help prevent from fungus and establish the roots faster. So next, we have to choose a pot that has got many drainage hole on it. About the potting mix, use well-drained soil mix like garden soil and coco peat. So now all the process is done, we can plant it directly to the soil mix. After planting, give lots of water so that the air gap will remove from the pot, and from next you can give 3 to 4 times a week of water. After watering, place it in indirect sunlight in a bright light locations. It will take 25 to 30 days to establish the roots. So friends, for today I'm going to end this video here. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.